Watch the full video of this house on buildofy.com.
The site is located in a dense residential neighborhood. It's a rectangular plot and it is located at the cul-de-sac. Conceptually, we were very clear about giving a low profile and a low height towards the street side, and it goes deep and the height increases for the entire built mass, taking care of the programmatic spaces required by the client. As the concept materialized, these form the gable roofs, which are more like floating, where on the street side we have a low height, which is a ground floor height, and the floating roof of the gable, where as one goes deep, the gable roof happens on the first floor. All the spaces are very well connected and integrated as conceived, and from the post-occupancy, all these spaces are very well utilized, and I think that is the success of the project.